Hello, agus fáilcí hig an agran journal don na Seansálaithe. I know. April Fool's, baby! When the nAmadán, obviously you...
There's one literally plating.
Literally a Lord Fui. Kegur was going to yenu agran Len the nAmadán, and I've never seen such real fear in Dod Sula agus Shaw Inish, do you know?
Well, Vidriger own Shahmisha, so the Broner.
Oh, Broner.
Ni ma mai le humor goni, ni goni dogum fi jaran or tashav.
I have that. Well, famously, Nivimsa really ginshin jokes here, Rio. So, to be honest, well, listen, sorry, go Malashka, or this person, which human gilcar, chas bula live. So, I'm going to go my to shop Mars Cra, la much Kolyaki, la much Kurja, definitely Kurja, to man shop, la anywhere, and you get Jimmer Tati.
Well, you remember why initiation?
No, the road to recall car age is going to reach out like Tamash Shadi. Agus dúirte call Carella well níl Shadi Michael
Should have this doing the hala hula Mario.
But a hawain and get you one mass than shin will do all right.
Tamisha actually inta tama kaiu well tasa gov shot tama imalically le shachten is mialar no bur agus during gabesha and trade just fudge gur kai Mario malically. So my father you know and mohu the cónaí and ni no. No, nima bagun shop.
Our hold is fast.
I'm tama cónaí cosla dina áitiúil seachas cosla tarasar than céadúir and shot. So that's so.
Listen to follow and local flavour.
Relax.
Listen. I can't feel odd. I mean, if follow local flavour, could be actually change that. I'm on shop fast like James O'Flaherty, the James Jimmer Tati.
Come on. You might get a flavour one. Near when a flavour one.
Vanilla, obviously.
Vanilla Huel. Gary Neville, Mata do Gation. To make a false sponsor.
Sorry, this is a country show. You're Jerry shocking you. You have to do gaffle of la Huelinish.
Yeah, I just think it's like that. Like on the go, it's nutrient dense. Other than that, it can't be April Fools. Niemand can't be nutrients. Ni friggin' Joe Rogan modes can't be friggin'.
No God.
Cats push out the body to kill not cats.
Yeah, the nutrients.
But yeah, I think come on. Soul Gomorla got in the lane tomorrow stuff mark. Tacht gewoon king le lawn morgen. Agus nAmadán eyebrow maar ook een shed.
Thank God not wish they're in like here because Sauli
me made the word.
Whoopsie. Oh, that old thing? Sorry. Oh, that rose so good.
Man, down to finally Pléann days in a row.
Good
joke though.
Pretty funny in props. Hey, high five. High five. Can't time with Arthur. That Gary just really got to play in Jerry Shotting because obviously and I'm journaling near him with Stafford much more a league Lechala and the Eton and Shin Foster. But then and Rud knock Roman on Credgefall gur chuis má a ríis in íchinné.
Well, chuit does má ar bhealach a chuit má le wami hag na Furies.
Hag na Furies. A clapal agus it genu tasig like the classic Shandon you wave,
yes.
A giganí. Like Shannon Mage vi mis genu agus cho Lewis vi gig chimple vi chuimid Girach Wala. Whereas vi tisse sa gin a storehouse ri hin la agus an sin chuis má gin Harry Lemon in the
Well, bhín gine storehouse a gcónaí ar intin agam bhí sin chuirthin áirithe agam as chuime le mo chul cethir agus chuir me text ag James rá tú thart daoine mar ní a gig dul díor cháilín é gin na storehouse. Tá sin go bug grim. So an rud a bhí ar intin agin ná ihe fear réú se cean na go.
Yeah.
Ciú man ihe muidne I rickshaw ar an malach go Ryans. No go Bruxelles ar dús.
So vi tree fobs in the Hiwan. Well, really care fobs in the Hiwan.
Mona tree.
Vi nís móna tree. Quig.
Yeah.
So Harry No, chuime dháil dearcha the Yeah.
I like do it cap mish me ag sé finte and I'm pretty sure I may have broken it by 1 or 2. So 8 pinte is kinda
it's pretty
grand like.
Yeah.
8 pinte is grand.
That was like blur all like it was just like
in fairness
48 hours could just on the go. So need something like
in fairness, vi majesty silent disco gaji Jeru and silent disco as in like vi in security dul timppla I ggéir muid kickáil maith agus an mar sin.
Agus thug mis headphones bháil lom de himpeiste ón Silent Disco.
Oh?
So bhfuil is go na cin Captain Morgan a ein tú istí Whelans?
Yeah.
Bhí mis an ihe le Amerbí groirtí de wind churhin hart an strap ar mhála iad.
Yeah.
So then bhí ma istí sa chippy liv sin é agus dark ma síos as bhí the headphones fós arm. Now, dark mar bhí siad go janky is briste.
Oh, yeah,
Dar
tá.
am hen, ní siad figurí na cin sin rás.
No.
So chaim mas a rúsgrid ach.
Right,
Tá bronar
rúscr.
Whelans hug ma property bháil lom de himpeiste.
But you're really grammar though dar white in Silent Disco Rishi's hog shit in the headphones that
No.
Oh no.
I've got my own.
No. Is it not BYOB?
As go na brugsid.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Badger, you know. Cai go usage and kin care in the Rishi's Rish.
I'd say so,
yeah.
yeah. I say go should tune out the shocker at Kins though.
It's
Yeah.
because of the station radio tan sílam.
Yeah.
Sadly, they wrote the shul hard. I guess hurt through their shul, whatever, it's to fall like military, like frequencies. I guess they're just like shul
The
chimple.
far planning the Donald Trump is a group.
Yeah, well,
chat,
listen,
listen, yeah.
Do you know what this grammar fee shin though is an lad an yarna an lad waltz and thing veer na wall sorry a leakal an the text and lad her your man is just a group chat there's a genuine investigation fui le kendo your harlisha agus an lad at Ganis an investigation shin is an lad kieran the a hurray a group chat it's literally gonna be like you know and I think you should leave sketch like the hot dog like we're all trying to find the guy who did this. We're all trying to figure out how this happened. Like,
Which is good million of a lad books ago in general.
treason, 40 years prison. They shouldn't die with Harlow shop. But they're trying will to one ansalt as the hajama in mBaile. Do you know?
Agus tan I'm sure swear gon they're all going to blin like.
Sure, just go know about like Cleo though.
Yeah, see Sean wrote.
Oh, stop. Yes, so Lar Mianer Gurek Shekos the show, bay.
No, yeah, actually, because I'm even more on Borsteen show.
Not but well not a gun prize le
Gaillimh.
Gaillimh, yeah. Not
Okay. Neil my gold bogu mi
I cred it's taken to fall will much John is like it atmosphere on the glory dinner you know
Ragtall James Mostinger and the dating apps like tell land funny huh
glor fanny gur cheart goní seo tá glor fanny nar cheart goní seo tá rudí tá cor stahar an John Chuck mai ó heo cursí airgid de
okay
ní hiag le fiú parkal gan Deich me €2 le parkal ar chráid I Camden ó seacht go dtí an lehanní ní an hí faoar. So in éon té muid in horn a gur ceartí chas parkal. Dúirt an cortha ó sús go dtí man ihe. Cé a chur an costas ar parkal san ihe. Like
yeah. Well, stretch Camden.
Gadiacht atá an mórmse. Yeah. So you know níl bailú clear go for sin.
I know. Well, if you Gary Fullamanish, Kane, and Bashin Rod is massive bay and Argadish are in Costas at our 100.
Yeah. I mean, ní Jurgen knockout hey, agus bini hinta mui hinta hogum livse agus tá bia inta anjo. Yeah, geez, Kendo you can shivas.
Yeah, it's crack tax, baby.
Crack tax, you know.
Agus stoppen na hand in Timon anjo.
Yeah.
Síle mar bhealachar drochra de carve agus má chun tú mar lia. Just ní sé olart. Tá sé Jackar Park ail agus ásáilta chunne de car.
Má tú de cúni Jack had just a car go small.
Yeah.
Need to Tom's Jack more on, but I think several she probably racing the Mahut's Joe like with an Angus Jack. Just got to the law flan about ní sure.
Tá sé right Mariarta.
Tá sé right.
Tá sé right.
What like God, you know.
Yes. Well, yeah, like in Gaillimh, like McCann to bust, like Katie Fonard, like what, like Carol Wigwam in the Asian or whatever. R.I.P. the 424.
Sean Rudd. Okay, yeah. Ní me give a row beefy na balik líon seo.
No, stop. No, Tasha the beef. No, Tamisha Gary beef for Clushtel.
Absolute fools. No, so in Gaillimh, ní gach euro na go as parkal san uair. So hig lat the car where sta dír calar na carach agus parkal atterby. So níl se go jas le Gaillimh.
No. Well, high parkal.
Tú really chuntuar the chun de hain
just tomorrow like how much should Pléann it's not like chalk and cheese like it's not like it matter to just pick a park on it's
fish massa shunnin rudder wang or fade at the attend
it's not also guy like ek almond to being kind of moho burgening raw work.
Ein team lat. I wish grow amagum could pointy if I screech from mahagum once can joklum.
Oh, punch holes.
Our son the Gaillimh.
Bisha and G Sprock and Tagalavegan Erectus in the Shimley. A Harla, a Waltari, Lochta Rassera, Agus. Come
my Gunyan ruin show.
Oh, the Gunyan ruin go
up. And he's fair in a Gaillimh.
Oh my god.
When you like go home lawn in his fjord. ach like dat ná an feiceáil cin fág mocht níos cúnaí mar lia cin fág mocht níos cúnaí áile. Agus just I think we should go má an rá espris á.
Yeah, listen, you gotta try before you buy.
Apology.
Well, Sean,
Yeah, well, baby, New York is next.
see, Sean rud bhí arm sa déile leis nar bhí sibse an burt in na chonaí in gáilibh an tamar fad agus bhí sibse ra like, oh, the gáilibh a wad níos fearr, gur méid crack attention, gur méid
ópáis a choúíach me súsá a bhí me rá tá an rá náte.
Dúirt tú sin a hanna
Choúíach má súsá, is bhí me sa deir me rá, I think it just got my book.
A hanna leúir bhí tú, like, bhí me just show sees like fucking like a Connell Bridge, whatever, like you know, like Ern Liffey, like an Owen is salach sa cheer. Like bhí se dútartha, like bhí se in the like seáigh like híine go thugs na ihe, like bhí me J-Bag gig recovered in sweat, is that whatever. Agus James ra, wow.
Seo má áit. Seo má greenie.
Tá seo just galanta. Urker your Stevens Green. Wow.
Lá leis na.
Just Pléann.
Bhí sin é. Bhí ar nós that's a Little Mermaid. That's a look at the stuff. Isn't it neat? Roddy having you like whole
collection's complete.
Yeah, literally what you gherkin Roddy is like Sala. You know, she's stretch grafted, you know, the buskers shite, agus na dingy like dodgy heart, agus James like, wow, the salsham.
I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty.
Tarunic Victoria, Cambridge full of my care to the own.
For my market.
Oh, where like my man.
No, ach like Kevin Gusha, like Kevin go just ruda a gastu yinne go go. Like we miss cream go haar laar. Ik bezig mag maar foto's go haar. Go mee.
Yeah. Sure.
Ach, Kevin go bod kinal. Maar dat cream dat go haar laar. Ach, de foto's ik kinal fanacht in air en Guardian Pelle immers. Ja. Toma voor laar. Kevin een teen really rud radio de wie aan na bogo gezi kahar elle.
Yeah.
Was that gewoon just on itch and a scratch out that piece. And I think that in his shar elle na go páirt and can smooth like.
Yeah. So. And that's go like Corky na well even got higher like London na
yeah like ní sam like berád go like it's problem just carcha more like well we ships go higher if vardiv go like carcha nu go like an tra.
Oh, car a hanna lure.
No, it's in the like commission mat go asking like ní ron me den to see like relaxation R&R not that.
No.
Be me scripted race to see it. Like be my girl 100 ekel on. Either go home ed or they go with an like surf on new high quality and new then going to because he car more to just real simple car.
Yeah.
And she can a lot to do on. So she can a really small so she like my joke I for new hour. You know, we must skip on she's new hour first in raw. I love to get busy with I love the new Bruce name as well. Like put a shoulder on the support.
There's a gherkin the log gear and Subway being like, wow, this is more.
Wish I could be part of your world.
Well, the Vimisha Gaffala new are faster, but like a Barlum's like Brashua Kahar Wad needs one the Barlum like Brashua and Tra and the Raymond like just camps are just allowed and whatever. And also I mean Urker and cracking the Thugum like I am not a sun holiday man, you know, like Misha in Tenerife na in Marbella na could be the next nation like it's just a disaster waiting to happen. So I think la na cara ta wad needs more. But faster like smite like Fralum do like gigs hard lars do like
that is not do grain away green screen.
It's famous. Shannon rud awain. Higgins just be like, wow, Shaw Giro net Kieran. It's a hoche orker Shaw. Wow. Ooh. About let's try on the cara.
Denim she mask on the knocking.
No, you wouldn't you?
Okay, like so unnecessary. My God. Laugh the nom team.
No, we're all I'm joking.
No.
What do you mean?
No, Janet Shaquille go why lots of dull or well that sounds like a backhand.
Yeah, Jen to be here togum as if like now does real or hero Godin drugs and her hero hey car.
No, I'd rather no. It's just their yarn to Shane let the immediately card she had like her back foot like savage girl like unsee person to all even girl like if you like can't actually with the Gary Gall hygiene her in the A shot like Gary with the sweet shirt like genuinely can't actually why
like fear cash to curve.
No.
Mine go to Gary May like start catching out here.
No, genuinely to Gary Falma can actually why the hygiene her in the A shot.
So the actually Coco Swally knocked my yaller grow euros ugamer.
No, you wouldn't you?
Yeah, it's just like
Sean Rose.
It's just my intuition with the bit.
I know.
Yeah.
Agus we sprout come these Louis chat. I know. I wouldn't I?
On the version though.
Oh, bet. And Barchikov?
Unbelievable.
A2
Kale
James.
Caesar and Bombay potatoes. Yum. Class.
Stat an shafod shah.
Not one number of glass.
Rád romicha a dúr lums nó go bhí imní ar daoine nachromagi hí glóirtáí agus glásaí. Tás acu already ní
Mishrá seála blianta.
I know, agus tás acu snáfig cé nachmas tíhon ach le haid mí. There's just like, you know, there's the gitch to carrot thugad le hedging. I'm not hearing a lot of fruit. Nah. Na ein rud mar sin. Bhí tú ra gur smaile tú másc an bars ar an tre agus na cara. Cén fá? Just general, you're just like, shouldn't vibe with them.
She was a crackle to go do show vinu. Like,
What do you mean you fuck guy do you do? Like bar
weren't to be my Gary rud fear relaxing, agus weren't to kind of go le gunnish and mealler go do tastel, agus you know, and rud more tarshul shanienu than backpacking, agus weren't to ton it serious and like been too bloody catcha, you know, like rinne me tras in Europe, do cretcha feckin 200 rud rinne me she's California. Ac ni fi'n ein sort ski, no ni sira or valacate. That's big like sus o heel graihe.
Yes.
As ni yenam sin gominnic mi algo me girin doi necal agus me fos og, you know? So ta sé bín sort trid ogam lumhain or into fui like an ceartú just dullig an spawn fwy ni couple la agus sira inta jazz shave ogam non ceartam dullig an Japan, which should rather in me.
Yeah.
Agus vi met catches ni war main sort sus. So
No.
it's sort ta sé dulli an kinnu sin ni anu shilam.
Not do so. Yes, I do so. I was happy la Larry and rodí in there we. But yeah, but I mean like yeah, ten differ all war in that era. But I think we'll go buntashi let's decken. Look at me, listen. Come on. Look, we can all agree to disagree. Cap him.
You would, wouldn't you?
See, that's really grand where you know, whole Lewis tossed me into it's like power move, you know, like real like, you know, like oh yeah, I'm on Sean calling you out good Jirach NEA shot. Nímuid an seo le a bheith a genú calling out cheile. Tá an seo le chealarú an sihar is fearr ar an dón, dar lumsa. Níos fearr na nálag, níos fearr na ihe haine, le na nAmadán.
He might be brought to go la na Máithreacha ra.
Oh. Bhí sin an go leisceil. But in fairness, and we'll shift to genuine rud le na Máithreacha ar an yearn sin rud le na Máithreacha.
So agus mu tafat seo tá mé an brontanas agrú aniu agus a orú agus a heola bháile so just idir ma jahars ma héin tá blachaní seolta goin.
Smooth.
Agus you can't go wrong.
No.
Agus cumáile sin mna bhfuil cartú seolta gut moonpig.
Moonpig.
Just chair moonpig, tá cin ngéalaigh, tá cin granara, as ag le just do chaachtracht a chlóiste agus seolann si tucu é agus bei seo acu an céad láile. So sin genta go maniu.
Ernst ma dit nar from a carto moonpig out but vi anim dinge go hom the frill or
What?
Nick near just randomly from a carta or from which carta is a chat agus just like you know shalu and shach but not like in shalu omland on shah agus lema agus view just like you know Breitla Sunnad on Jerfer is fair or in Don Clare you know Graham Moore as like like Claire you know like na anja seo da dingy nar holma fui Rio
Agus an yarn to Garan.
Garan like being like how
le moonpig.
no I'm just like I think Roshan Chinner for a couple less a chas then fui like I was like okay well it's a raw wall and she could punch shot
Tá sé like sé or chuige heolú nar chuint tú stad every 100 so you know
it'd be in thing ella that'd be raging like it's not Misher Daska Misher which I think is illegal but look it's fine it's finita jazz look you would see any James with the enemy in Rudla High land the more
well branch on my small news smart me so sin kin still up in there and he's some really kin really base my look at in law ach yeah my god skins focus there mal gewala gagaile golwala ich ine agus sin yeah camera de keneke
Kaima ruddy
ach dumish like ni vien to the Sula more on wem
Sean Road Mission more in Gearna
Keep expecting when we're off. We're off when he's because obviously Mra, Bishop Sula, Brunswick, Dalsy can't hear. So that's it. I'm Michelin that's like Fredo like, and I'm still in the good books like. So them is A1 KB running for me.
Higlum I can attest like Kinte mar Tamoyahar i Canada for so obviously Neil session Neil Lanes or Dulgas Ershan mar in Yenuf when you're on Máithreacha. Agus Tásig mháthair goil me se mBaile as nachtíú dom teachtáile go dtí Jaloon mar dhealga me go barachar an cumáid ach fós fu me teachtarach daniu.
Oh the air her?
ó mháthir.
Oh, the wire. Okay.
Just ráchas like. Lá na máthair de dóní.
Oh.
Shouldn't take someone. Take someone.
Yeah, look, Tasiki.
As der Mr. Hash. Tá sogum.
I wish go hurt the civil. And yeah, I bet. Donna show.
As der me, tá sogum smiley face. As der chi her Ash. Níl tú hart le mé hort ma.
Stad.
Do you think chul mo jaar fan a text sin agus é Canada lief líananús?
Absolutely not. Listen, well, Tasiki though, Sean, you have to set expectations low. Do you know what I mean? Like,
Well, bhí an buttering up í an nation, bhí ma laig an goúin ar tá mé sáile.
God.
A tasci go me gobar ní léon réúntaach na hagann sé na chalíní.
No.
Le seán hoc letarrá, jeez, an drucha bhhaile in is ríis do nulig nó do bhreitla nó do lá na mátharga nó cibé am. No, tá seán go bra, cos cheol sé cúpla blá Canada, you know. But mise, cin dóid go joclo mibrú. And Jerry Shack making le lá na mátharga.
God, how dare you?
Could I?
Listen, it's an ininess massive.
I know. I know.
Honestly.
Tá má brisú crísaí.
Tá group chat actually ogan le do weather agus bhí much
Levental.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh my God, Anya, it's a reach, you know.
Could you tell shoe look at it? I know now we're into impression Inta and Jerry Shack na Scotcha.
Bring my impression into Jerry Shack na Scotcha. Agus know to the end of the mohair. Fuck all. What did he? Gabi. Do you know came fire? What's it came fire?
Wat is je kaart niet smooth amle de ruffer?
Marco she ag dul sheer galunting.
Yeah.
Le tree shocking a kaihu. Let me yarfer.
So tossing the net crusted. You're like,
yeah.
You have two hearts. Let me hurt him off. Can you land him off?
Neil the chimple. Did I go? Did the Harlow Inchin? Huh?
Land him off, Jadoni.
Yeah. What about me? Huh? Land the mock. Come on.
I feel like niche of my favorite children.
What?
What gave you that impression?
Well, I went shin. Fimes hill a fucking Ainrod. Like Fimes hill like Dunwaru cut his mold and like no genuinely like ni anim said the vima what like
just note to Ashori ni actually you're on the Hugh and Dunwaru Fos.
No, it's coming.
Govistern.
How Govistern? You'll never catch me. No, ni chem na wala Roviniction like be me yar first of all needs many na misha listening around like gus being to current glech na arms and tamer fad whatever like ni vim se cur glech or machaila like the ain part of the machaila agus go fall like they're talking wala like fi like in la journey do réile mo her vi me yar for chat the wala da agus sin cur dad like text me like red and chucky this na wala fast like just la just like more like surprise or
Jenny plan like
well not even more but just like in fade chat the wala like more surprise like just not insta the mum na vanilla whatever
he was like oh fine
and I was like okay well like just over Shamak Roman on like listen over like
so good that's freaking Australia
literally Chapa gur has
took it the wall surprisers there got about 14 minutes she's supposed to the plane like the plane land in the plane to Mugdari
yeah literally but we share no Skrahanik ma as an international space station in a like shape Liam Macha was listening agus literally land ma look for my shibo county so from a buscular county for my shibo my air agus vi me air for the car lash agus dirty fuck's sake like ni ve ain like you know and surprise do such chat wall or like a kiwi ke was asked to be she me akal there should go homlan like the cross and ish ke go flannel she an the road la in breitha agus then just land on mission again I'm Kieran they're like hi agus my mum like oh you're huge
vi sé cos na fi sin ekken tú do gunni chatá an Austrál like really lá na mohuán like vi near lig si dit go like vi an barrow cochan vi si néú cronú in Irison like it was cos le growú ar an tíhil den dóin chatá
lads them shit class like it's mock class mate but in a road like I think we'll find the mock like go gur féidir lá a wad níos lú obair anu ar lá na Máithreacha na
as go háí is mu in the tain mic
yes
mu na mic is óige
yes agus go Jeffra níos sinne ógin
so ach like effort mission attention like no misháile
All Ireland final winner
gunne lá na Marca is sira free bhra atá an agus sira eile na lá free brna na Lán an nAmadán.
What? Cé sé
Mar ní glad ach nAmadán leich lad gléin tú ónseach cánín go na dóla muid sin scoil. So ní lán in ónse atá lán an nAmadán. So
Níor sin dún sin ar an scáil. I'd no cén sais scáil.
sin rial gramadí nach dig le nAmadán a léich cálín. Ónse hatá cálín. Ní lán an ónse hagan.
Well, níl ein
Ní ná Namadan in amachchas ban
No.
níos cliste.
sin an rud bhí mar literally bhí go raid sin níl acting was ar ein ban.
Oh, shut up!
Namadan
Put me in the good books, say story.
is cógúlaí Machines James. Is allies cartmuid. Who we will rise up. Absolutely. Céim an géad lá, do you know what I mean? Do you know? It's it. But yes, no len an Namadan. No len an nunseach. Má sin mas mailat. And mas mailat a bheith gent.
Mar a sinna cheanúra.
Mas mailat a bheith in the Namadan ar an leisin. Like, you go you, baby. You know what I mean? Like, mas mailat sin ianú. I mean, sib sé cealar len an Namadan. I suppose cealar is focal size that, but I mean, and tugann sibh ahantas dá the gra.
Sibh ahantas.
Yeah, due respect.
Ar nósgur rud ra néfa tá.
And gaiann sibh, you know, les sépal ar len an Namadan.
Bhfuil mass a go bhar an láise.
Well, mass MASS, agus mass MEAS.
Ní lá róir dúsa é beidir marialar nach bhfuil me comáis sin is smitú ar cén dóid leis le clása immert ar gcuoine.
Yes.
Bheag sé mar rudí bhuga ar scóil, but like bheag sé crap. Just rud like, oh, tan duine sin ar the cool as casa tú hair. It's like, lá an nAmadán.
Cén thing in nearha road the cool, just like could be like Boogie Monster. And like
Enoch Burke.
Just but ní léon ní roiin iirecht gur sehan.
No.
I móhíal riú. No. Ro latsa.
Ring me sé couple yeah. Like we should just gas, like, you know, like a hurley hella. I think an area like in Kennedy on was an ag cur siúil group me se glór grair an tre gur dench mad a daoine gromachán na bheith because bhí an méid an textní ógam caiim do fríd mo chud sean tweets le iad amsú, but bhí couple cin an dhear na mise like just genhing Photoshop really gas the rud again no like genhing you know curhing like posts with her Facebook now and rud of like you're like oh you like no tama initial of a like more glore or SpongeBob not could be rud dirt tama initial of a more you know a hostel you know or you know could be station radio ag Janu you know Claire Gra now and rubber like just janning ruddy a be like Harva like go graja grosh the fear a groshid ignam care like near hookalish either way fear and you're the same with Russian James and you're the same
yeah kooppoten like no géimes met an naam so wat zegt niet zo tegen Kwemerlom say terms raad tibrenchen wie my kansta dinne say points romansul wie should hall America
oi
agus chomar sag Photoshop agus rudaí agus ring me editing tickad Aer Lingus Groma go noon gcuid
James ní sin granar
agus sin like so it was double so bhí man anna chonig ma ahar freshen ará dus man one-way flight book out am noon go America feice me gan CVU agus so bhí panic stations samada agus hardar mé cheap den hins go go a cuasa go hall agus cheap sin mór winter groma just fágáil sláán agus gimocht a feit trí
so bín tos a gurí daoine a ggurtú beannach le na móthúchána
dal mó go chur
Ristú crí do bháman lá sin agus an duna grúta dul
piece of crack though
hey look ní mó problem tá mór bhfuil go cin freaking dát atá
Actually rinnemuid ceann ar an lehanach chana
Ring Virginia cin
ar lehanach seansaí a hana rinnemuid ceann gro hiú ag bogu go gáliú
oh yeah
agus rinnemuid rial faoi a genú like just number one champion
oh yeah
British
sin
but bhí daoine chuir deachtarachtaí thugam in é like oh my god what bhfuil seo darlú like really cred daoine é I'd say just
Vís the Gary Bullis Islam
tá daoine an bíon tú vulnerable agus nuir tatar na man hoiste I don't know Credin to 100 na credin.
Ring me jarma gin machin ring ma like breagach like fake like book cover la high Coroma as if Coroma ag falshu lore like autobiography agus what do you call it who do you think Hugh Carr agus karma road like Urkershaw like ring ma like cover breagach da leis an penguin logo sa bun. Agus an poll quote of ear and bar was I couldn't put it down from glue on hands weekly. So ho silly like just ho silly.
But sin actually rud Beidir Godarloi a Máithreacha bhí. Just mohim go scríthe leor.
Well, I mean
tatu scríú leor.
Yeah, well near Shriman la Tomlin but a crack my though. I mean like I think just an Ewa like nAmadán is just piece of crack, you know.
Well, tá sé dul raún sé okay deg.
Oh.
Tá sé fíor chean agus tá daoine ragur thosaí sé sa rank.
Oh, classic.
Agus seo nervhí
And you may mugu.
Bhín pápa Gregory a hocht I gurí gom dosach an blian uair ar an chéad lá bhíanaar in náit ag Jeremy Marta. Mar bhíh an blian uair ar an éilire tosú Jeremy Marta.
Yeah.
So daoine nachró sásta ghlacu lei sin gléach April Fisher hu.
Okay.
Ach tá daoine eile I rá gur tháinig sé ó na féiltí arsa kind of a bhíogan like na cin gro jowliach the buint slow.
Yeah.
Sure hin rudí mohim go stuff gaelach extension ar yarn would féiltí arsa jowliach.
Listen, ní bhéh muidir mar farsa jowliach agus má smaile aon thing éis leis an agran an yarn muidir agus muidir genú tarot readings the sin and chattings by art ar an feed. So ceapa gro se like nasca le like pagan
Yeah, agus mohim go sin éasca chreidin sin an ceanna chreidim se go bé.
Crazy just go roas a good shin off the dome.
You'd swear nach searna mé tiger bhí. Yeah.
Crackculture just
Absolutely
go roas a good shin.
Just tidbit
Yipping me purple.
Oh, Gregory.
An lista sin atá fóna agam de glam
No, ever no ní hé sinné herid. Oh, cén tanya bhíar. Oh, Jenna Glán Jarmuder, do you know?
Credit no not credit. Rinne me tiger solar hosí muid tafod.
Honestly, cannot relate. Ní féidlum in ein dói féidlum relate all ag sin. Tá hon rúna scuúnis nar bhí ma ag genú stuff le mu sean fostor le iRadio níor le ein taid like Riven Clare like Rio. I was just like literally off the dome a handle.
Hugh, I don't think we catch for Russia.
Ní enam seo.
To an radio fly.
Well, ní enam sin ní smó agus bhí seo leis an sean Ostar. Obviously bhí muidir taid but yeah, they Nicholas John just like a can't absolute shite. Never more there. I guess
You've got the gift of the gab.
I've got a gift of the gab. The bruntness in the gab.
Can I hold the focus some Danny Stone? Nu noch the source.
It's better. I think her handing me shima agus been Blarney Stone just even we like san hospital.
Actually, Rugu his a Gurkha agus rebound to Wayne Blarney Stone.
Yeah, bang bang.
Grish ishke the water. Bar Blarney Castle.
But now so come
on the morrow son.
When the Mara son the dish. Can't be thirsty though. Bimajinga eat our mystery tour in Sahern.
Yeah, so we know I'm going Tagran show go ma.
Yeah.
Bim would antics like about going on Jerry
Antics.
Well, Shaska Chef and Gate.
Well, hold on, but chance can make to on. The chance.
No, because the Rodham comes.
Oh, because yeah. Well, if we know that the Tanagra Chama is failing a kinna to Rosha, agus Visha Racharn. Shouldn't toast dogum Sarain though.
Shouldn't toast dogin agus Sheilum go se ogin good authority nish. Well, the braher aig dina a chormud kester. Sheilum.
Go on to Burka, Jerry Danisiga.
Name and shake.
Yeah, we should Ben Agra Cham we finam at and Thirst Creek.
Well, Cormud Kester ku an Rakarnathan agus Hoshe Gary. So, you know.
Nish Vishal Jenu Tafa their TikTok because they torch ma fi Severs in the Gaelic feel her. But near stop shot that Jenu Shin. Vimage non size fragger or Alamahas agus in shin ring shafish and really ach lahai
Aska good April Fools down those
and Ruther's very April Fools now Daro Shrashin on like Glasu like normal like La Wench and Ruther Wang Tá beef ógamsa agus a cuaán, right? Marial an rud a hálaigh an Oireachtas, you know? Marial an roasting.
Oh, yes.
Oh, I'm
yes.
gonna run. I'll come to the shop.
Ag mohim just godagan sé stále attitude. Like,
Le attitude.
Cúna sé strahan seo níos ruthe as bhí cuain tí sa stúdio an seo tafad agus dark me tríd an doras. As dark sér agus just caiis sin na súla snéir. Like, gan
And it's wrote the Kent your cuaán a bhíon and they...
No cían.
No cían, yeah.
Si do mórfáil strahan na hélan is ní me cinnte cé.
Listen, it's Fairling Shaw Yanu, it's Fairling Shaw
So seo just hilarious, but just a caihi nús ar fod Craile Radio Rira.
Yeah.
It's comórta the seeds.
Yeah. I mean...
Tá si de géir get to grow wine so, you know.
Do you want to... There's two...
That is around the market.
Well,
The beef on the Duchess in it.
Well, there's this like Comortis here. Ní the mature stash in Kierda. It's the opposite of Comortis. Mata your father Jenny go by then this road my eh.
What again this school no beef job vegetarian mission is. No beef. No beef.
Oh, costless and orange and 303.
Yes.
Yes. Must fuel Aberleshker fuel shine for me, and I am fucking scared of him. Do you know? Classic. Come on, Anya. Don't trust. Come on. Create the lyric.
I think I should know.
Yeah.
Bí glán nAmadán as na nónse. Dochreite
agus bígi kinse nach fáintseh stuck le ein you know ma ag tú ein clasní ein posts ó ma hain an you know James níl siad fear
Creide má chuirn win na post ag an arde sin an íarna.
Ein rud a feicil tú ar lína tá se fear.
Yeah.
Ein rud.
Few fake news, just Jen Jarmid fake news, tá 100 fear new.
Chégi or Facebook or
Lánigi na daoine canas na seascadías and stuff gomín á roiint acu agus is fear scéaltaí sin like.
How does it feel in the yarn should like ring meta like testa like ring should like a contus brega and it was like a rag or like bands na seascadí bhí on like just hook should like a wine da like inside stuff sin agus the lin shocking v like ahan conspiracy theory milchna or file just go home at the Facebook online done profile break shot was just a file and size hours in.
Creidine.
Great. You love it's Bralate. Well or a notation. Sinead an agus seaí gur míáis le bheith géisiart ling agus gur maigus a ríistá Radio Riras an studio a tuairtún le hain an tumblebug seo tá agus arms in sto mu scary like running at like salach like just real salach
like sprout.
Over Hugh and post should an nocht wij aan.
Yeah.
Over Hugh and post the 2FM the burgers to get law.
No, so sin Harvard
in autory different. Like it's like he's a burger boy. Like there's just
But team go to a son na cúise ons go jigla Lord for an radio.
Yeah, but just the testings and burgers like there's reviews over so they like
just eat tar jagwell reach.
Yeah, no, it's Marial Guro a land giganese with the ogum in the Asia agus a handle ur my bulus thing which like oh yomich burger and ish. So, you know. So we like she'll go chipler like oct burger or go in like
in Canada's Irish the rot of what's again Canada is the canteen RTE met the caviar
oh yes
stop could you think can be good and chicken Philip burger meal of yoga like a tree or module
come on Shinny is fair listen Agus James you're a caviar ogum ach urwen Agus Vija he said that
from caviar you were raised now
I think to my Irish narga very close to caviar like Jira Belt Irish some would say no be caviar ogum agus vi oyster so vi galanta green like it
that's another day in Donnybrook
yeah notions
the shots at dangin I swear right anyway so Callum sim what street cred or fod Grimwise aviation Seansálaithe Máithreacha Magellans the man hosted them your Instagram or Seansálaithe Twitter or Seansálaithe agus YouTuber Seansálaithe so like a little fishni galanta and shin you'll feature done Argan Shaw or going just this studio but just trust go with your gurk fucking class. But the Gary any Amsterdam hosted more anywhere Instagram, anywhere Twitter, it's anywhere TikTok. But the Gary James Amsterdam hosted more phleanáil Instagram, phleanáil Twitter, it's phleanáil TikTok. So the Gary Mahin Amsterdam hosted more Hugh Carr Instagram, Hugh Carr Twitter, it's just great Hugh Carr or TikTok. Come on James Aberlaw. Inistífa.
Kieran.
Inistífa. Tmidray. Done the
Better go know Parsons.
Hey, listen. Tmidray. Tmidray. Tmidray Fodray. H. Ray.
Not going hard.
Yeah, Tmidray. Sorry. Slán.